first up, you'll need to make your pattern. My pattern ended up looking kind of a strange shape, but at first I started with a basic ear shape that was about 3.5 inches tall and 2 inches thick at the widest part. Then I traced it onto a piece of paper with some overlap. The midpoint on my specific pattern is just around here. First up, I traced this 2 times. Just traced and made sure that the points are on both ends. There you go, it'll make a weird looking shape like that. Like something like that. So for this example, we'll keep using Smart Falcon, and we'll take a color that's like slightly darker in your pastels, and you'll color it as best you can, like this, to start with, and then you'll want to fade in this. Don't worry too much about making it smooth. Because you can also just fill the whole thing if you want. You can take your finger rub it really well. Something like that. And you can go in. This is the part that's kind of hard to replicate digitally, but I think this doesn't have enough dimension in real life and on the canvas. So what I'm gonna do is take the black, which is honestly not that dark, and I'm going to be very careful. I'm gonna stop here just in case, because it does get really hard to color this area. And I'm going to only do a little bit and blend it with my finger again very carefully. And then I'll go back with the slightly darker color, which was something like this, I believe. And see, this doesn't look as good on digital, but whatever was my step down darkest brown, if I had two dark browns that were darker than the color, I would definitely use them, but I don't, and I'm just using one set of chalk pastels. And there it is. That's basically what I do. And I found that this area on the outer edges here were kind of muted, and I didn't want to use white, so I used the pale yellow, and I was very, very gentle with how I pressed. I did this, and then I again used my finger, and this is gonna look so bad on a canvas here. I did something like that. I made sure that it was very subtle, and that is what I did for now. I might go in and add, depending on how it looks when I actually wear it, I might go in and add a little warmth, or on the opposite end, perhaps a little coolness with most likely a purple, probably a pinkish purple, and maybe add that. Depends on how I feel in the end and how you want to make it match your wig. You can also use white if you really want it to stand out. I would recommend lots of white here, like that, but you know, neater.